Hello, dear students. I welcome you all on behalf of Sri Jayendra Rank Zone classes. Dear student, we are in a continuation of the chapter that is molecular basis of inheritance. In this, we are going to discuss today about the RNA world and then we will be going to talk about the replication or a copying of DNA. So first, let's talk about the RNA world. Dear student, we know that DNA and RNA both can be acted as a genetic material, and in that also DNA is preferred as a genetic material in today's time. But RNA was the first genetic material, and there is now enough evidence to suggest that all essential life processes evolved around RNA, such as metabolism, such as translation, such as splicing. All these processes are evolved around RNA. Metabolism, it is a anabolism plus catabolism, means all the sum total of all chemical reaction which is occurring within an organism. Translation, if we talk, it is a protein synthesis. And splicing is the one modification after a transcription in mRNA for its maturation, where some non-coding regions are removed and coding regions are joined, and that is known as splicing. We will be discussing this splicing in the post-transcriptional modification part. So all these processes which are important evolved around RNA. If we talk more importance of RNA, then RNA used to act as genetic material. RNA used to act as genetic material as well as catalyst. It is used as genetic material as well as catalyst. And there are some more important biochemical reaction in living systems. If we talk about RNA, it is obviously genetic material in some of the viruses, and some RNA like rRNA will act as a catalyst, will act as an enzyme. So there are some important biochemical reactions in living system that are catalyzed by RNA catalyst and not by protein enzymes. If we talk about catalytic RNA, they are the RNA enzymes and they are known as ribozymes. So when RNA acts as an enzyme, it is known as ribozyme. But RNA being catalyst was reactive and hence unstable. Therefore, DNA has evolved from RNA with chemical modification that made it more stable. So, RNA was unstable. Due to this, there is an evolution of DNA with some modification. And if we talk about DNA, it is a double stranded and have a complementarity between the two strands of DNA. So it further resists changes by evolving a process of repair pair. So in DNA, if some mistake happens, then it also can be repaired. So due to these things, if we talk, this particularly due to the devolution of DNA from the RNA and DNA being double stranded have a complementary that resist changes by evolving further RNA. So RNA is acting, RNA plays a different role if we talk here. Okay. And if RNA plays a different role, then RNA is adapter, structural molecule, and in some cases, they are catalytic. They act as enzyme. So from all above discussion, it is very much clear that both RNA and DNA function as genetic material. But DNA being more stable, it is preferred for storage of genetic material, and for the transmission of genetic information, RNA is better material. So this RNA can be act as a adapter, structural molecule, and in some cases catalytic. And if you talk about DNA being more stable, it is preferred for storage of genetic material. And for transmission of genetic information, for transmission of genetic information, RNA is better material. So this is the what particularly seen in case of the RNA world. Okay, thank you.